And another nice shooting angle is to get the torii together with some conifers. See, like something like this, like this, like this, and maybe early morning when there's no people. And we should also get him with sakura cherry blossoms. See, pretty. So here there are the cherry blossoms, really small, really pink as me. And okay, what I actually want is to get such a pink tree together with a red torii, you know, that bridge in the water, bridge gate thingy. But I didn't see any cherry blossom planted on the border to the ocean. Maybe they would die, I don't know. So anyway, let's search for some. Because that's why I'm wearing pink, because it's a cherry blossom season. Even here it's quite early. The flowers are not in full bloom, but I heard in a few days they will. However, I have something much better than that. Ja, ja, da, 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 dun, 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 dun. Hey, do you want a bread? I have some bread in my bag, man. But I'm just worried people gonna see us that I'm feeding you. But actually I could. What do you think? Why not sitting down with a deer? Really so much fun on this island. I found a perfect angle to take a selfie with the deer. Awesomeness. Awesome, awesome. What are you doing, baby? She stretched her legs. So actually her legs are like this. And if she would only know that I have bread in my bag, especially for the deers. And even I think we have a cherry blossom somewhere near us. So cool. And just a gentle reminder that this is the island of the gods. So you're supposed to come here to pray and not to prey on the deers. And this here, another very lovely installation. I don't know if we are allowed to get in here. So basically you're supposed to wash your hands with this and rinse your mouth, I think, to get clean in order to pray. And then you throw a coin in there, clap twice, and make a wish. Pretty lovely. And with this curated conifers, see how they design these angles. It's like a fan towards here. some of you really like the architecture, the Japanese architecture, and the way they are building this. And here you can choose what shoes you like, they are for free. If your shoes got wet in the lake, you can take some from here. Okay, that was a joke. This guy is very serious. Isn't this one amazing? Starting from the same route. Good job, tree. You are really interesting.